Alright.
Can we go for a ride now?
Yeah. Just up Bungie Straight?
So, yes.
Well, yeah. That's all warmed up.
Are you warm?
Yeah.
Fucking hell. That's awesome. What's this? An indoor fucking thing?
That's a camera, yeah.
Inside. Right. We're in.
Uh-huh.
I like the white tiles.
Yeah, so do I.
Fucking brilliant. I like this.
It's quite short.
Sort of a bit. Yeah. I don't think I'd get on with that really. But that's fucking handy, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's sort of there, isn't it? Brilliant. These old seats are nice, they do just nip you up a bit.
Yeah.
Fucking idea. He's mega. Jesus Christ, I like that.
You wait until I get higher revs, that is really loud.
Is that?
That gets louder, yeah.
You go get pulled up with the old bill in this
Probably.
You know.
Yeah, I don't doubt it.
You can't resist it, can you?
No.
You
This-
gotta fucking do it.
Yeah. This car, it likes being driven, you know, quite fast and high revs.
Fucking hell, yeah. I see what you mean,
It does like it.
yeah. Acceleration. Fucking hell, man. You're up to fucking 60 fucking no time. On just that little bit.
Yep. Yeah, they do.
The old Bungie Road a little way.
Yeah.
That's the place.
It's very responsive.
What the fucking hell is that?
The accelerator is really responsive.
Does it really suck your old petrol into it?
Yeah, depending how you drive it. If you drive it fast, yeah, it will. It will. I think it gets about 30 mile per gallon if you drive it normally, which is sort of, you know, it's average.
Yeah. Fucking hell, yeah.
But
you gotta have it, haven't you?
yeah,
That's the enjoyment you get out of the bloody thing.
yeah. I don't drive it. You know, I don't drive much. Don't drive for work or anything, so
Yeah.
it's not like I'm going to be needing a lot of fuel. We'll try it. We'll come off this roundabout in second gear. It's quite aggressive. So.
Fucking hell, man. Hey, we're fucking awesome, That's the fucking bollocks, isn't it?
That is good.
Jeez, I bet that sound nice from outside.
Yeah.
You can nearly hear it from ours, I reckon.
Steering's quite heavy in this car, so you have to hold on with both hands.
Yeah.
It's quite sort of stiff,
Yeah.
but it's good.
This is front wheel drive, isn't it?
Yeah.
Too fast, he's right. Bound to get one of them. I just like the sound of the fucking thing.
Yeah.
That's growling at you.
Yeah. I redlined it then as well.
Yeah.
It just bounces off the limiter,
Yeah. Fucking.
but it doesn't mind it, you know, that's what it's built for.
Yeah. Fucking.
As long as you keep these cars topped up with oil and you service them,
Yeah.
they'll last forever.
Yeah.
Like this is on 100,000 miles, but you know, people have them at 2,000, 200,000.
Yeah.
Reese's one is on 135,000, I think.
Yeah.
So
Built to take, aren't they?
yeah,
That'd give the old bill a race, wouldn't it?
yeah, probably.
Yeah. We used to try and outrun them bastards. But they always had a faster fucking car than us.
Yeah.
I think I got whiplash. Fucking hell, there's one thing about this old car, you can smile when you're driving it.
Yeah.
You think, fucking hell, yes. Man.
None of my mates know I've got this. They don't know I've
Don't
bought. No, they don't know I've bought it.
They'll be pissed off on it. Yeah, you're really fucking pissed them off, mate. But that's fucking... I'm well pleased with this. Fucking brilliant. You've done well, boy. I mean, this is a fucking lethal machine, isn't it? Really?
Yeah. If you're silly with it and you try and go too fast in these.
Could you jump into here straight from passing your test? You know what I mean?
You probably... I don't know if you could, actually.
No, that's what I was thinking.
You might not be able to.
I don't think I would.
No. I think this is just about too quick.
Yeah, I mean, that would be lethal when I'm coming from an old banger type thing to this fucking thing, man.
I mean, yeah.
Yeah.
Getting third gear.
Third gear?
4,000 revs. That's 5.
Fuck me, I'm back at my seat.
6. 7.
Jesus
8.
Christ. Can you imagine what this sound like at time? Fucking horse.
Almost a ton.
Yeah, I think I was saying, you've done a ton of that. That's only a short space.
Yeah.
Fucking half a mile.
That's why you have to pick and choose where you want to accelerate, because you get there quicker than you want to sometimes.
Okay.
Oh.
I'm glad you picked me up, boy. That's cheered me up.
Mm.
That's fucking lovely. Enjoyed that.
But yeah, it's
Well,
quite loud, but at the same time, if you drive it like this, it's not too bad, is it? It's quite quiet.
You could creep past the old bill, alright?
Yeah. And then once you get the revs up, yeah.
Yeah, that's fucking brilliant.
Haven't taken mum or dad out in it yet.
No?
No.
Probably fucking the old man will love it, honey.
Don't know.
You'll have to go a bit steady though. You'll
Yeah.
worry your mum or dad.
Yeah.
Every time you go out, she'll say, you mind what you're doing in that car?
Mm.
You do, don't you? You
Yeah.
mind what you're doing, don't you?
Yeah.
You know, I know, they fucking worry. They worry.
Mm. I'm not going to go too silly, because you have to learn the car, don't you?
Yeah.
All cars are different. If you just jump
Yes.
from one to another and
Yeah.
think you know what you're doing, you
Yeah.
be in trouble.
It's the same, them old Capris in their day. I had a 3.1.
Mm.
That would go like fuck it would.
Yeah.
But me dear old mum used to worry fucking sick until I got home. She said I could hear you coming. I used to have the side pipes on outside.
Yeah.
Fucking hell, I used to go.
I think at some point I'm going to get a new exhaust on this,
Yeah.
but I want to enjoy it while it's original for a while.
Yeah. Hell yeah. This is stock original, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm getting this. I really do.
Yeah, I've wanted it for a while. Since Reese bought his one, I test drove that, and I just wanted one ever since.
Yeah.
So I've been waiting long enough, and I bought a good example as well. So
Yes.
didn't buy the first one I saw.
Yes.
Mirrors on that thing.
Suck him in the air, didn't take. Right around the fucking back. Well pleased with this, boy.
Mm-hmm.
You've done yourself fucking proud. Don't blame you. Fucking awesome.
There we go.
You're away?
Yeah.
That's what we're going to do.
Yeah, I think they just went shopping for some food actually.
All right.
Mother and father.
Are they?
Yeah.
Are you got a grub now or something?
No.
Fucking hell.
I haven't eaten a lot today. I've only had a Subway
Fucking hell.
because we left to go pick this up at 10 a.m. I think.
Did you?
Yeah, hour and a half drive.
Fucking hell. 3 hours, that'd be 4 hours, I suppose, gone time you got home, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Well, I'll let you go, boy.
All right.
I'll tell you, thank you very much for that.
That's all right.
Fucking enjoyed it. I've got whiplash. That's brilliant. It really is. He's done well.
Yeah, that's what it's called.
Eh? Fuck that go.
Yeah, it would do. 2
Yeah.
litre.
Dunno.
Is it quicker than my Mini?
I think it should be about the same
Yeah.
power wise, but I think this feels quicker
That failed quick.
because
Yeah.
that just all of a sudden kick in.
Yeah.
Fucking brilliant.
Hell, your family must have about 6 cars.
Yeah, we-
Parking now, don't they?
Yeah, it's a trouble
Well,
to
yeah,
park them
no,
all.
Oh, fuck me, we ain't got a lot of room there. I tell you, you know we'd find a space here somewhere.
See you later.